Hey techs, Nicole here with CellBotics, or future techs, really. That's probably who this video is more for. Because people that have already graduated from us actually go to cellboticstech.com and they get private videos. So this video is actually going on YouTube, so this is going to be to someone who has not taken our course yet. So I just wanted to put some short videos of technical information out there just for fun. We're not going to give away too much. That's why people come to us, okay? But I wanted to talk about batteries, iPhone batteries in particular. So how do you know when to change an iPhone battery? So a lot of people know that iPhones have this battery health feature under settings, okay? So you can use that, but a lot of people are like, well, what does that even mean, right? So maybe you're getting into repair and you don't even know what this number means, or, you know, okay, sure, my battery is at 70%, but what does that mean, right? I'm going to tell you, as a technician, so maybe you're a mobile tech and you're not really sure about batteries, you just kind of go with your customer's feeling. If the customer says, oh, I need a new battery, you're just like, okay, cool, you're going to get you a new battery. But let's say you're doing an LCD repair and you want to upsell, right? We talk about upsell in class a lot. You got to upsell, right? And so upselling, one of the things that we do is with every phone that we intake, with the Intake Pro app, so we have the Intake Pro app. If you're a technician, you're watching this, and you need a way to take forms professionally on the go, it's $5.99 a month. It's called Intake Pro, and it's on the Google Play Store. So while we're doing that intake, we actually go through and we check the battery health percentage. Anything 80% or lower, we recommend that the customer change it. If it's 80 to 85%, I will tell the customer, hey, you're getting really close to 80%. Would you want us to change it at a discounted price while we have the phone open? Or do you want to just leave it in there and come back at full price later? And so I might do like a battery swap for 30 bucks or 25 bucks if I'm already in it, or 60 if I have to open the phone again, right? And so that's what that battery health percentage is for. So we see a lot of issues with iPhones that hit 80%. The phone will stop holding a charge. It won't charge fast enough. And so you start to see usage issues. So I hope this helped you guys a little bit. If you're looking to get in the cell phone or computer or even open a business, come to our training center. We have a lot of things to offer you. If you're just looking for business courses in general, we also offer that too. You just have to reach out to us. But if you're specifically looking to get in the cell phone repair industry or the computer repair industry, or open a device repair center, which we really, really, really recommend, because that is the shift that's coming down the industry. We can see it happening. You're going to start to see device repair centers where shops are fixing TVs and robotic vacuums and drones and phones and tablets and computers and laptops and servers, and that's what that Device Masters course sets you up for. So come see us. I mean, we got what you need. So I hope you enjoyed this battery video, and good luck. All right, bye-bye.